Hey everyone, my name is Katie Powers and I'm your local realtor and credit repair specialist. And today I want to cover a topic that my partner and I come across quite frequently, specifically with first-time homebuyers and those of you that are moving in from out of state. Our HVAC systems, or also known as our AC and heating systems, are used very frequently, especially our AC systems here in South Texas. So today, my partner and I are going to cover 3 top maintenance tips that you can help to maintain your HVAC system as a homeowner. So now I'm going to hand it over to my business partner, Steven Garza, and he's going to take us through step 1, 2, and 3.
So for step 1, you want to first identify where your unit's located within your house. Sometimes it's in the attic. Ours is actually in the hall closet. And then secondly is finding the filter itself. Ours is located underneath the unit. So what it's doing is it's pulling air through the register here, going up through the system and spitting it back out to the house. It's either cooling or heating, depending on the time of year. But changing this filter out is really important. You want to do it at least every quarter. If you have pets, do it a little bit more often. Making sure it's clean will make sure your system runs healthy. You just want to equate it to like trying to breathe through a straw. It's just hard to do. Same with the filter. If it's dirty, your system's not going to run as efficiently, which is very important for the maintenance and the longevity of the unit itself. Now for step 2, it's adding vinegar, distilled white vinegar that you get at any grocery store, and a funnel into what we call our primary condensation line, which is usually located right next to your unit. All you do, put the funnel in, put your vinegar in. I just maintained our unit last week, but this helps to keep this primary condensation line clean. Sometimes it runs into a sink within your house, or sometimes it runs outside like our house does. But this is your primary line. Anytime you're creating condensation within your unit, it's got to go somewhere, especially during the summertime when the unit's turning over often. It's spitting out a lot of water, and so keeping this primary line clean is super important because you don't want it to back up. In our case, we're on the 2nd floor, so if it backed up, it'd go down to the 1st floor and be a disaster, right? So keeping it clean, vinegar, quarterly. You can do it once every 6 months if you like, but I like to do it quarterly, and it just helps to, it's that next step to keeping your system clean. The third and final step you want to look out for when maintaining your unit is the secondary condensation line. This is your early warning system for your unit that your primary has clogged up, and this guy is telling you if it's dripping water to shut off your system and call your HVAC guy as soon as possible, or call your realtor so we can help you with the next steps.
So there you have it, guys. Those are our top 3 home maintenance tips that you can do for your HVAC system. Now, of course, if you want to go a step further, I would highly recommend calling in an HVAC specialist. They can do a full evaluation on your system. This is just some tips that you can do to keep up with your system. As you know, here in South Texas, we run our systems hard, especially during the summer. It's important to keep attention on your HVAC and make sure you're maintaining it properly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my page. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day.